If you're looking to start your career in AWS, then I would suggest you go to Coursera and enroll in this specialization, which consists of three entry level courses. I believe this series is one of the best out there. Gaining the skills for a job in this fast moving AWS world is a wise investment. Over the past several years, AWS has become a global leader when it comes to cloud. Whether you are just starting out or you are trying to upskill in the cloud, I believe that this training will be an advantage for the future for yourself. There has never been a better time to learn about today's in demand cloud careers and the skills employers are looking for. This new training series, which starts from this introduction to AWS cloud careers and ends at hands on with AWS for IT professionals, is not only very tailored to what is required in the market, but it is also very saver in terms of what you will learn. So this series is designed to move you quickly from a broad foundational understanding of the most in-demand cloud carriers to learning how to build solutions and solve problems using AWS services. And I would suggest that you watch them in order because each course is built on top of the knowledge shared in the previous ones. In the first course, which is Introduction to AWS Cloud Carriers, you will be learning key terminologies, the difference between different types of cloud computing models, and also what exactly is an API, and then what is meant by scaling, and so on and so forth. You will also be learning different perspective from different roles in the cloud, such as solution architect, data scientist, software developer, and a lot of other things. In the second course, you will be getting some foundational understanding of AWS services. You'll learn the basics of compute, network storage, database monitoring, security, serverless containers, databases, and cost optimization. I know that sounds like a mouthful, but once you start learning it, it will all fall into the place and you will feel at ease. So in this second course, you will learn how the services are applicable to different technical roles in cloud computing. For example, if you're talking about AWS S3, this course is going to provide you perspective from different roles in AWS like solution architect, security analyst, and so on. In the third course, you will get some hands-on exposure around these services which you have just learned in the second course. And you will be learning about the different roles in the AWS account, such as administrative users, and then you will also be getting access to AWS free tier where you can get your hands dirty and learn these services by doing by your own selves. So this course is comprised of few scenarios, and these scenarios are grouped into three major categories such as data operations and architecture. In the data scenario, you'll be learning how a machine learning solution automatically detects personal identifiable information. And then there are lots of other examples. I think this third course is a bit heavy because it goes directly into machine learning, but still, you'll be able to get an idea. Um, so I believe that starting your career with AWS Cloud, which is the name of this specialization, is available right now. So I would say if you're looking for your first IT job or first cloud job or first AWS job, this is the starting point. Thank you very much.